Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you about the seven chakras in our body. Just as we all know, there are seven musical notes, there are seven spectrums of the rainbow. Similarly, there are seven energy centers within our body. These seven energy centers are related to the Kundalani energy, which is the serpent coiled energy at the base of the spine. So, the first chakra we are going to talk about is the earth element. It is related to the base of at the base of the spine, and it is related to a sound called lam, and it is related to earth element. Second chakra is known as the Swadhisthana chakra, and it is related to the water element, and it is called Vam. Third chakra is known as the Ram sound, and it is called the Manipura chakra, and it is related to the fire element. Then we come to the heart chakra, which is called the Anahata chakra, and it is related to the sound Yam. Above it is the Visuddhi chakra, which is at the throat side, and it is related to a sound called hum. And next chakra is in between the eyebrows, which is called which makes a sound and at the top of the head, that is, there is the Sahasrara chakra, which is related to the sound om. So as the yogi meditates, the energy from the base of the spine slowly rises through the seven energy chakras, and it unites with the Sahasrara chakra at the crown, at the top of the head, and the yogi experiences a blissful state. So we all do meditation and other yogic practices to achieve this state. Therefore, dear friends, today I am going to give you a brief meditation on these seven energy centers. You can practice this meditation every day, daily in the morning for 10 minutes and in the evening for 10 minutes on these seven chakras. So first, early in the morning, you can sit in a meditative state and the Brahma Muhurta, and you can easily meditate on these seven chakras. You will have a peaceful and stress-free state. You will feel this blissful mode. So let us start the meditation. Please close your eyes. Think that a blissful energy is flowing through all your body. Feel that your whole body is relaxing. All the negative energy is going out from the pores of your body. You are only filled with divine energy coming as a vortex of light from the top of your head. Imagine that the Kundalani Shakti, which is lying dormant at the base of the spine, that is the Mooladhara chakra. We shall meditate on this chakra now. Please take a deep breath in and breathe out. Concentrate on that Mooladhara chakra with the sound Lam, and be still. Slowly bring your attention to the Swadhisthana chakra, which is above the genital organ and related to the water element. Vam. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Slowly bring your attention to the navel center, which is the seat for Manipuraka chakra and is related to the fire element. It is related to the sound Ram. Yam. Slowly concentrate on Yam in the Manipuraka chakra. Slowly bring your concentration on the Anahata chakra, which is related to the air element and is located at your heart center. Concentrate on this chakra. Slowly feel your energy is rising towards the throat chakra. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. The throat chakra is the Vishuddhi chakra, and you might concentrate on the sound hum. Slowly imagine the energy level is rising towards a position in between the eyebrows which is known as the Ajna Chakra, and it is related to a sound Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Slowly imagine the energy is rising to the top of the head, Sahasrara Chakra, where the yogis meditate. It's a bright divine energy, and the sound is Om. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Concentrate at the top of your head, 1,000-petaled lotus with the sound Om. Now take a deep breath in and breathe out. Imagine your whole body is relaxing. Slowly become aware of your body and surroundings. Slowly and gently, you might open your eyes. You can practice this simple meditation at both times of the day. These 7 chakras are very vital for yogic meditation, so I have shared this video with you. I'll be coming up with more videos on detox of fear and stress and other types of meditations. Thank you.